It's not.
Hey
it should have
people,
4
so
leaves.
it's a nice Sunday morning here.
It should have.
and we
Auntie,
have these
if
two
it's a
little-
lucky charm, it should have 4 leaves like that, right?
Correct, it's a clover. Yeah.
It should be having 4 leaves.
This is so much fun.
Okay.
And this little guy, it was running, but it's so happy. And see, we've collected so much grass. I'm so happy about
that
this.
on YouTube, Auntie?
Yeah, totally.
Wants to be a guard, raise their hands.
Yeah,
Everyone's a guard. I'm the captain of guards.
yeah.
Let's
And
see
this one
who
is sleeping.
official
So,
a guard. Come, I'll test all of you. Come.
come. In fact, you all can play running around, catching. Running, catching without your footwear. Yeah, that's better. Without your footwear, you. But if you are running outside, then wear your footwear. On the grass, be without.
Come on, Auntie's going to take a video of them.
Yeah, yeah. Correct, correct. It's okay, it's okay. You can.
Come. I'm going to test everyone. Come.
This is it's so relaxing being here. I want to just enjoy this moment. Already a 1-minute video. So on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.